all familiar with these. We've all seen these. Here's some requirements for those. We have 60-inch minimum landings. Where we change direction on a ramp, then we have to have a little bit more. You see that square there, 60 by 60. Typically, the width of the ramp will be the width of the accessible route, but when we turn, we'll do 60-inch deep by 60-inch wide. And you can see it narrows back down to the minimum requirement of the ramp. The whole ramp can be 60 inches wide going up. As long as you have that landing, you're okay. Those landings do have to be level at 2% maximum in all direction. So here's an example. As I come down 60, reason why, turning space, 60-inch circle, 60-inch T-shape for turning space. If we have a ramp though, we do need some wheel guides or edge protection. You can have it one or two ways. Extend the ramp surface 12 inches past the handrails, or have the bottom of the handrail have a guide that will not allow anything greater than 4 inches to pass through it.